Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what makes the PaperPro Compact Classic Stapler stand out as the best in its class. Designed for ease and efficiency, this stapler is engineered to reduce effort by 80%, making it ideal for anyone dealing with repetitive stapling tasks or conditions like carpal tunnel syndrome. Let's begin with its key features. The PaperPro Compact Classic offers jam-free operation, effortless one-finger stapling. That requires 80% less effort than traditional staplers, and it can handle up to 25 sheets with ease. This makes it not only convenient but also a powerful tool for everyday office use. Moving on to its design, the stapler is compact and lightweight, crafted from durable plastic. Its sleek, ergonomic design not only enhances its aesthetic appeal but also ensures comfortable handling during extended use. The half-strip staple loading and easy refill mechanism further add to its user-friendly design. In terms of performance, the PaperPro Stapler truly shines. Users report seamless operation, minimal jams, and the ability to effortlessly staple up to 25 sheets using just one finger. This makes it a game-changer for productivity in any office or home environment. What sets this stapler apart are its additional features. It can also function as a bulletin board tack with its cleverly designed open position, allowing you to easily pin papers without removing staples. This versatility adds significant value for various tasks beyond basic stapling. In conclusion, the PaperPro Compact Classic Stapler is more than just a stapler. It's a solution to ergonomic concerns and efficiency needs in any workspace. With its innovative design, reliable performance, and ease of use, it's no surprise why this stapler has garnered rave reviews and is a top choice for many professionals. Ready to upgrade your stapler game? Click the link in the description to get your own PaperPro Compact Classic today and experience the difference for yourself. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay efficient and productive.